This is the last time. If it freezes on me one more time, I promise you, you're gonna be seeing a new phone. Oh, I'm trying to make it. Guys, tell me like what will work if you're like using a phone. My phone is an Electric. I don't know. I'll leave it in the descriptions down below. Hi. Keep on mixing, and then if you want to keep on mix fast, I'll get the spray to give it that good. Keep on mixing. For some reason, this is satisfying. I don't know why. Like, it's just satisfying. I have no idea why. For some reason. It's hard because I'm doing one hand. And as you can see, it's almost fine. But not fully done. So, if you're not fully done just like me, this is what you can do. Add more disinfectant spray. I'll be back to you when I'm done adding as much disinfectant spray as I want. Sorry, guys. Okay, as you can see, there's like a lot of disinfectant spray. So we're gonna add all over. Wiggle. And oh my gosh. Duh, jeez, getting all over me. So as you can see, it's good. Okay, what you want to do is add some disinfectant spray to your hands. So this is not gonna work for me, so I'll get back to you when I'm like, you know what I mean. All you're gonna do is just start mixing it with your hands. So mix it with your hands and pick it up. Alright, so right now I have it in my hand. I'm just saying that it feels a little freaking weird. Let me add some more disinfectant spray so I can get this stuff off of me. 1 second. Okay, I got it off my hands. So just add more disinfectant spray. If you don't want it to be sticky, add a lot of disinfectant spray. If you want it to be sticky kinda, don't add any. So now mix it with your hands, girl. Mix it with your hands, girl. Just mix it with your hands, girl. Just mix it. Just mix it. Just mix it. Mix it with your hands, girl. Mix it with your hands. So now it feels weird. It feels like, so now I'm just gonna pick this up. Well, not right now, but this is just plain gross. Ooh, I'll get back to you guys 1 second. And your slime is done. It's really cool. Please give this a like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Or if you don't really want side videos, I'll make a vlog of my day. So happy slime day. If you guys want me to like put my slime over this, you should like and subscribe and leave a description down below. Bye.